Hey, today I would like to show you how you can change your Visual Studio theme so that your code looks a little bit better. If you want to do that, you can go to Tools and then Theme, and here you've got few of predefined themes that you might choose from. But I have few installed extra ones, and I will show you how to install them. So here at the bottom you have Get More Themes button, so you can click on that one. And the new website will open for us from the marketplace Visual Studio, where you have plenty of different themes you can get. So you can get through and find the one you like the most. I don't really know which one is really nice, so I will just grab one with 5 stars, maybe this one, and just click download. But I can see that it's got only one review, so I don't think this is very accurate, but anyway, so click download, and once it's done, just click on it. In order to install it, we have to close our Visual Studio, so just close it and click install. It has been installed, so we can close it and open Visual Studio again. So let's go to the scripts, open one of those, and now we can go back to the tools, theme, and we can choose the one we just installed, which was custom theme probably. It had some name, but I can't recognize it, so I will click on this one. And yes, as you can see, it has changed. I don't really like it, so I will go back to the one I used before. But anyway, this is how you can install and choose a new theme for your scripts.